6. A longtime circuit court judge at the center of an in-depth LEX-18 investigation has resigned right before her trial on ethics charges.
For nearly 20 years, Beth Mays presided over the 21st Circuit, but she's been suspended with pay the past year while fighting those charges brought against her by the Kentucky Judicial Conduct Commission.
LEX-18's Lee Searcy has been following this case since the beginning and has the latest developments in the big story at 6.
The ethics trial for Beth Mays opened with this August 2018 interview we did with her when she admitted issuing drug test orders involving the arrest of her ex-husband. She told us then she wrote that the Commonwealth's attorney and Bath County attorney signed off on the orders when in fact they did not.
I did write that, and am I sorry I wrote it? Sure. That night, it was a very emotional night.
The video these judicial conduct commissioners watched was actual courtroom video that Mays herself recorded while we interviewed her. She faces 6 ethics charges surrounding her alleged actions when her ex, Champ Mays, was taken into custody. In a nutshell, the JCC charges she violated ethics rules when she got involved in issuing those orders. In court, the Commonwealth's attorney, shown in our story here, testified that it concerned him that the orders said he saw and agreed to something that he did not. Here's a clip from our original story.
I never saw that order.
The JCC also alleges Mays used her position as judge to get information on confidential informants who may have had damaging information about her ex. The JCC alleges Mays or her staff contacted attorneys, staff, and law enforcement officers to see whether the confidential informants in the syndicate cases were involved in the criminal case against your ex-husband. In court today, the Commonwealth's attorney, a former sheriff's detective, and Mays' own secretary testified that it was unusual for judges to contact police about investigations. Her defense is that her staff was trying to make sure there would be no conflicts with her ex's criminal case. She denies any wrongdoing, and as for those drug test orders, Mays says she mistakenly believed the orders were for distribution only and not that the attorneys had seen and agreed to them. Her ethics trial is expected to last a week. In Lexington, Lee Searcy, LEX-18 News.
Again, these are ethics charges. Mays' criminal case is pending trial. She faces charges of second-degree forgery and tampering with public records, and she denies all the charges.